Hi, this is Tim from lapsoftheshutter.com, and this is just a quick video to show you where you can download some free practice images for Photoshop. So if you go to lapsoftheshutter.com and search for Photoshop images, you'll find this 44 practice images for Photoshop page. There's also a link to this page in the video description. This shows you the original image plus the edits that I've made. All of these edits are contained within layers within the PSD file non-destructively. So you can see precisely what I've done to go from this to this. So we can just take a look at one of these images. You can see all of the layers down here. So you can see how to go from the original image to the final edit. And hopefully this will be useful for you if you're just learning Photoshop and learning photo editing.